In the multiverse of the Time Traveler's Bed and Breakfast, I provide people with the experience of typing on an old typewriter. But not everyone gets the memo about being gentle with old stuff. So I discovered today that some keys are bent underneath. So this happens when usually it's young people, but sometimes it can be older people too who just don't know. They think it would be fun to pound as many keys together at the same time and jam them all together when you type on it. So when you type on a typewriter, you have to do one at a time. Otherwise, the key up here, if you do a bunch of them together, then they will jam. But worse than that, if you do a lot of them together, it'll bend the metal pieces underneath. And so you can see there's actually a little bit of bending going on here. And these two keys have been bent, so they're lower. As you can see, it's actually lower than these keys. And so, I wanted to make this a pleasant experience for my guests, but it lasts for as long as it lasts. So we'll see if I can repair it, and then maybe I'll have to let people just request to use it. I can't just put it up there anymore, not if I want it to last. So it's kind of sad, but I'll take this apart and see what I can do.